Wentworth Falls Waterfall. There we go. Catch the water as it falls. Right down into the valleys here in the Blue Mountains. Pretty mental sight. Don't know what it's going to look like in video, but if you're here, you know that it looks good. Bit of a hike. Ahead, bit of a hike to get here. Not too strenuous.
I think we can get to the bottom there.
Yeah, I think we'll head round and see if we can actually get to the very base of the falls. Where these guys are. There's more people. Yay. So yeah, there's the waterfall. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to.